We'll guide you through how to see a YouTube channel's email. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on a mobile or a computer. This is really convenient to be able to do, because for whatever reason you want to go and see a channel's email. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's this full guide. Don't go and skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. But hopefully by the end, you're going to go and have the email. Now, it's important to note we can't actually do this in the YouTube app if that's where you currently are. So on a mobile device, we need to head to the YouTube sites. On a computer, you're probably already there. So we just need to go and get that on the phone or mobile. Open a web browser of your choice, whether that's Safari or Chrome. We're keeping this guide broad so you can follow along. We'll then tap the address bar. On an iPhone, it's at the bottom. On an Android, it's at the top. What we're going to do is we're going to go and type in youtube.com. Then you can press go. You're going to be brought here. And because we're on a mobile phone, it's brought to the mobile site. What we need to do is go and get to the desktop site. In Google Chrome on an Android, press the three dots in the top right. On an iPhone, you press this icon to the left of the URL, then press the three dots in the bottom right. Now on both Google Chrome or Safari, find request desktop site and tap it. You may need to go and scroll down a bit on an Android. Then what you can do is go and press search at the top. And what we need to do is then go to the channel you want to do this with. I'm going to do it with GuideRealm. Then once you find the channel, you go and tap on it. What you then need to do is go and press more just below the channel name here. Wait for it to load. And then you can go and press view email address. If this is missing, it's likely the creator hasn't gone and added it, but usually we'll have, so you can press view, prove you're not a robot. You may need to pinch in to go and zoom out, and then you can go and press verify like so, press submit, and you're then given the email there. There it is there, you now go and have it, and you can send an email to it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.